Hello everyone, good morning. Ayan, meron tayong naging trade for August 17, 2026. And this is for Asian session. Ayan, ang trade ko for today is around 3R, 2.93R. Ayan. And then ito yung naging profits ko. So dalawang funded account, tatlong funded dito, dalawa is challenge account. I'm not sure alin na dito, but dalawa dito is challenge, tatlo is funded, and dalawa here for funded. So, paano nga ba ako nag-come up sa trade na to? Delete ko muna tong tatlong photos na to. Ayan. Actually, I was looking at the daily time frame. Sorry, medyo maraming drawing kasi daily ako nag-trade or nagma-mark ng mga setups. Ayan. So, for our previous week, ayan, Monday, Tuesday, ang weekly profile natin is Monday, Tuesday, low of the week, then expansion siya ng Wednesday and Thursday, as expected. Then TGIF yung Friday. Then I was expecting the price to go up today. Okay? Now, paano nga ba ako tumingin here? Tinitingnan ko si 4 hours. 4 hours is so bullish. Though meron tayong down during Friday last week, meron tayong H4 fair value gap here. And then, nagpunta ako sa 1 hour. Okay? Pagdating sa 1 hour, pagpasok ng market, di ba nag-retrace siya, nag-down, nag-retrace pabalik. Tapos, pagpasok ng market this morning, ayan, umangat siya. Tapos, meron tayong na-create na gap here, which is our new week opening gap, plus meron tayong FVG from our time frame wherein the price nag-mitigate siya here, then go up. Okay? So, naghintay ako. Pagka mitigate niya doon sa hourly FVG here, nag-measure ako ng standard deviation projection here from 1 minute time frame. Tapos, nag-expect ako ng reversal for standard deviation projection here sa negative 2 to negative 2.5. And then, naghintay ng, actually, ang first idea ko is itong order block na to. But then I realized, okay, meron na palang na disrespect na inversion here. So, pagkakita ko dito is nag-enter na ako, which is naka-enter ako around here. Ayan, kung titignan nyo yung execution here. Okay? Tapos, kapag trade ako, nag-TP ka agad siya ng ilang minutes lang here. Umangat, dumiretso sa buy-side liquidity. Ayan. And then, targeting yung negative 2 to 2.5 standard deviation projection here. Okay, ayan. By the way, meron tayong free community and free course that you can access here sa website na to. Punta lang kayo dyan, tradesbymerc.com. Ayan. I hope nag-learn ka sa trade na to. Ayun lang. Thank you so much and bye-bye.